3, 2,
Wrong
1,
way.
action!
That's the wrong way.
Hold on. Oh, wait.
Wrong way. 1, 2, 3, 4. I am Monica. I am Brandon. So today we'll be talking about where's Wally and where is Wally. There he is. There he is. Here he is. And why is Wally
and press subscribe and like.
Yeah. And why is Wally
So good.
And guys, before I just want to talk. If you want to talk about it too. Well, at our school, yesterday we had a book parade, but
Yeah.
I was away.
Yeah,
with a
but
sore throat.
but he was gonna go as Wally and I was gonna go as Wendy.
And Wally is Wendy's sister.
Can you talk about me? I was Susan.
And our friend, our lovely friend Lola.
Who's
She's
videoing us.
she's videoing us today. Thank you very much, Lola.
And she
She went as
Green Susan.
And
Was that
from
No.
from the Lion, Witch and the Wardrobe. And
Oh, yeah.
it's like when they sit on the thrones. And
Yeah.
you become now Queen of Narnia.
It's like and she had this little arrow thingy, and but I didn't really throw, but it was still really good. And in year 6 there was these 2 girls dressed up as giant cupcakes, and they won the book parade. They were so good. I mean, I wanted to eat them. Sis, I'm gonna eat them.
Were they good?
I know, really good. And then Declan won in our grade. Don't you?
Sorry.
Declan and Scarlett. Declan and Scarlett.
Oh, Declan and Scarlett. Scarlett dressed up as a caterpillar from Roald Dahl, James and the Giant Peach. Do you know that? And
You know Laura?
Yeah.
Laura? She went as, the famous 5? She just went as an actual book.
I know. And Tom Gates.
Did Kobe go as the Tom Gates book?
Yeah, in the book.
Like a book like The Riches.
And Declan. When we're going to your school, we're going to that play stuff. Put it down.
You know it wasn't.
No, Lola. No, Lola.
Isn't that creepy?
Okay, come over here. Come over here. Come, camera.
So let's go to stuff.
Okay, come on. Sit over there. Oh,
It's already been 3 minutes.
Okay, we're doing our quiz.
Who knows Monica best? I'm Monica. So
And wait, I just need to.
The second edition. The second edition.
okay,
Okay, go.
what is my favorite type of cake?
Chocolate cake.
What is my favorite color?
Gold.
What is my date of my birthday?
29th of Feb, Jan 6th.
What is my last name?
Figueroa.
Figueroa. Shut up.
What is my
Water.
Seriously.
Yeah, I can read your mind.
Is
Carrot.
my favorite vegetable?
Carrot. I won the grand prize!
Baba.
Is that it? Is that it? Someone
Okay, now we're going to talk about where's Wally. Why is Wally so good?
That was a scary silence.
Next time we will be talking about where's Wally.